10 smart travel tips for every adventurer. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or about to embark on your first big adventure, these 10 smart travel tips will ensure you have a smooth and hassle-free journey. Tip 1. Keep your travel documents ready. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel dates. Make copies of essential documents such as your passport, visa, travel insurance, and itinerary. Keep both physical and digital copies of these documents in case of emergency. Tip 2. Pack smart. Airlines can be strict about baggage limits, so pack light and stick to the essentials. Use packing cubes for organization and bring versatile clothing. Travel-sized toiletries, a reusable water bottle, a charger, and a universal power adapter are must-haves. For a more comfortable journey, don't forget a travel pillow, eye mask, and earplugs. Tip 3. Stay connected. Most travel apps require an internet connection, so it's a good idea to buy a local SIM card upon arrival to avoid costly roaming fees. Apps for navigation, language translation, and local tips can make your trip much easier and more enjoyable. Tip 4. Learn about local culture, customs, and laws. Before you go, take some time to research the country's customs, traditions, and legal system. Familiarize yourself with what's considered polite or offensive behavior, as well as any laws that may differ from those in your home country. Something that's acceptable at home could be strictly forbidden abroad, so it's always better to be prepared. Tip 5. Review travel advisories and health information. Before you get caught up in the excitement of your trip, take a moment to check safety and health information for your destination. Be aware that the conditions abroad, whether in terms of healthcare, safety, or security, may differ from what you're used to. So, understanding those differences will help you prepare and stay safe. Tip 6. Manage your money wisely. Use a mix of payment methods, including credit or debit cards, along with some local currency. Avoid exchanging money at airports as the rates are typically less favorable. Also, notify your bank about your travel plans to avoid issues with your cards being blocked. Tip 7. Prioritize health and safety. Depending on where you're going, certain vaccinations might be recommended. Carry a small first aid kit with you and invest in travel insurance for peace of mind. Also, take note of local emergency numbers and the location of your embassy. Keep your valuables secure in a hotel safe or money belt and be cautious in crowded areas. Tip 8. Check visa requirements. Each country has different visa rules, so make sure you know whether you need one to enter your destination. Some places offer visa-free entry, while others require you to apply for one in advance. Knowing your visa status beforehand will prevent any last-minute surprises. Tip 9. Get familiar with local transportation. It's important to understand how to get around in the country you're visiting. In some destinations, public transportation is much more efficient and affordable than taxis or ride-sharing services. Google Maps can be a lifesaver, so download an offline map of the area before you arrive. Tip 10. Booking flights and accommodations. Don't just rely on travel agents when booking your trip. With a little research, you can often find better deals on flights and accommodations. Use tools like Google Flights or Skyscanner to compare prices, and websites such as Booking.com to find the perfect accommodation that fits your needs and budget. By following these tips, you'll be well prepared for a safe, enjoyable, and memorable travel experience. You can find links to all the websites mentioned in this video in the description below. We'll dive deeper into each of these tips in future videos. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. See you in the next video.